beautiful souls, welcome back to Ladybug Farm. We are doing another inspection today, and the intention of this video is to show you Her Majesty, the Queen Honeybee, if we can find her, and to share some knowledge with you about the queen bee. There is only one queen bee per hive. We have one in this hive. Hopefully this hive that we made a split with made a queen. And then hopefully our third hive right here, we saw there was an emerged queen cell last inspection, but we did not see a queen. So hopefully we will see two queens today and evidence of them making another queen in this middle hive. The queen is really the heart and soul of the colony. She's the reason for nearly everything the rest of the hive does, and the colony needs her to survive. She's the largest bee, and she has a nice elongated abdomen, and she has two primary purposes. The first one is that she produces chemical scents or pheromones that help regulate and unify the hive. And the second one is that she lays eggs. She's capable of producing over 1,000, sometimes 1,500 eggs per day in her most productive part of the season. That's more than her body weight in eggs. It's incredible. She does have a stinger, but they really are only going to use it to kill rival queens should they need to do that. So let's see if we can find one queen today. This is the hive that we made our very first split with, and every time you are in here you might not see the queen, but what we are looking for are signs that she's here. And for the first time ever, I see eggs. So a queen, remember we took eggs from the other hive, from the other queen, put them in here to do a walkaway split, and we let the bees feed her a special kind of food to produce a queen. After 16 days, she emerged as an adult. Day 17 to day 19, she takes her orientation flights. Day 20 to 23, she's mating in her flights. And day 24, she starts returning to the hive, never really to leave again. And she is laying her earliest eggs. So we are in day 25 to 31 now, and we see dozens of the first eggs. So this is awesome. They are laid uniformly from here all the way over, and it is just one egg per cell, not multiple ones like sometimes the worker bees can do. So this is absolutely amazing. This means there's a queen in here somewhere. She is not marked yet, but she is in here somewhere. We are in our second hive. This one we made a walkaway split from 9 days ago. And I am really liking what I see here too on this frame. 9 days ago, this was full of brood, which is baby bees. I notched out a few places where I saw eggs as well, only just eggs, or the youngest of larvae. And this colony looks like right here, there is a queen cell that emerged. Here, I'm not too sure of that. It looks like the end of a queen cell that could have emerged. And then see those two cells that are popped out as well? Those are queen cells that hopefully will be emerging soon. So that means that this colony had a chance for a few queens. Again, I'm not sure if that first one was fully a queen cell, but there's no doubt in my mind that that's what these two queen cells here are for. And unfortunately, what's gonna happen is that whoever emerges first, whichever queen emerges first, is going to go to the other queen cell and kill it, or they're gonna have a battle till the death if they happen to come out on the same day and emerge. So we will put this hive back and hope that next inspection we see signs of a laying fertile queen. Last, we are going into our main hive. You can hear the activity. There are a lot more bees in this hive, and our hope is to see the queen. She is so much easier to see in here because she has a marking on her. So every year, the queens have a certain color that you can mark them, and last year our queen was marked with green. So let's see if we can find her or find evidence of some eggs. And we are also looking to see if there's any swarm cells. That would indicate that the queen's getting ready to vacate with half the bees, and we're going to try to intervene and stop that from happening. One hive over, see if you can spot her with the green spot. There is our queen for the main hive. Nice long abdominal. We hope you enjoyed those tidbits about Her Majesty, the Queen Honeybee. We'll be back in about 10 days just to stay ahead of that queen cell development and to stay ahead of any possible swarming.